live on YouTube. What's happening, YouTube? It's another day of LeetCode. You already know the deal, man. Alright. Here we go. I'm just gonna jump in. Bobby Blue in the house. What's happening? Von Teacher. How are you doing, man? Glad to catch a live one. Oh, man. Yeah, welcome to the party. Welcome to the live party, Vaughn. Daily? Yeah, I'm about to do the daily. It's been like a week since I've been able to do a daily problem. Can't wait to see you solve daily so I can ask a question. Let's see if I can solve it. Well, looks like I've already solved it. So I just erased it. Find the length of the longest common prefix. Is this a recent problem, man? You're given two arrays with positive integers, array 1 and array 2. A prefix of a positive integer is an integer formed by one or more of its digits, starting from its leftmost digit. For example, 1, 2, 3 is a prefix of the integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, while 2, 3, 4 is not. A common prefix of two integers a and b is an integer c, such that c is a prefix of both a and b. For example, 5, 6, 5, 5, 3, 5, 9 and 5, 6, 5, 5, 4 have a common prefix of 5, 6, 5, while 1, 2, 2, 3 and 4, 3, 4, 5, 6 do not have a common prefix. You need to find the length of the longest common prefix between all pairs of integers x, y, such that x belongs to array 1 and y belongs to array 2. What? Return the length of the longest common prefix among all pairs. If no common prefix exists among them, return 0. Apparently I've solved this before, but I don't even remember doing this problem, man. Let me see when I solved it. Oh, that was months ago. It's a long time ago. No wonder I don't have no memories of this. Hold on. I gotta get my YouTube thing over here. Problem is a contest problem. Yeah, seems so. I mean, it's a new problem, so all the new problems are contest problem. The real Raymond Jones virtual meetup. Yeah, that's basically what this stream is, man. It's a dang virtual meetup. All these LeetCode nerds come here on the stream, including me. And we just meet up and we do LeetCode. Well, I do LeetCode. Some of y'all also do LeetCode. Some people are here just for the type racer. Ralo Gomez, how are you doing? I need to grind more. I failed another interview today. Dang. Sorry to hear that. But yeah, it's a real grind, man. You gotta put like hundreds of hours in, unless you're just some genius, you know? I'm here for the gambling. Yeah. It took me, like, I didn't even interview until I had like close to 1,000 hours of LeetCode study under my belt, which probably is a little bit overkill, but I personally did not want to waste one of my chances by being underprepared. So instead, I'd rather be overprepared. And I wanted to minimize the amount of luck that you needed to pass the interview, you know? Because I think you can still pass an interview with only doing like 100 problems or however many, 150, 50 problems, whatever. But the amount of luck you need is a lot more the less problems you do. You know, the amount of luck you need is a lot less the more problems you do. So you got to find a balance that's okay with you. All right, so how are we gonna do this dang problem, man? So they want the longest common prefix between all pairs of integers. So X belongs to this one, that belongs to that one. I mean, immediately I'm just thinking, for sure, I gotta make a try of all the things in array 1 and then just do something with array 2. Like iterate through all the elements in array 2 and see how far in the try it gets. So should I try that? Should I try that? I will try that if I remember how to make a dang try. I just wrote a try the other day, but I had to go look at some old code. Alright, let me try and do it off the top of my head, man. How do you make a try? So a try has... What does it have, man? So I know it needs a bunch of nodes. Land of the Leet. What's happening? It must have 3 of something. Wait, what? 3 of something? What do you mean? Try? Oh. Yeah, try. How the hell do you do a try, man? So I guess they're only numbers, so maybe I can just have... Oh, Larry NY is in the house. What's happening, Larry? I don't even know how to do this. Do I have to like... Should I use that or should I use a map? Rest day feels great, like resting from marathon training. Alright. Does it go like that? I run 6 days a week except Mondays and ran 17 miles yesterday. Jesus, that is a lot, man. You're training really hard. Every time I see Larry the voice, yeah. Hey everybody, this is Larry. Anyways, man, I'm being found out right now because I don't know how to make a try. So is it like try, I'm gonna call it just root. Can I do that? And then I like iterate through array 1. I'm gonna just convert it to a string. Yeah. And then I iterate through all the characters. And then, so if, wait, maybe I gotta make that. And then I check like if, should I just name this nodes or something? Man, how do I do this? I'm finding that character. If this is not there, that means I gotta insert it, right? Man, tries really make me uncomfortable. Fortnite? What you talking about, Fortnite? Oh, wait. I don't know how people do this on with a job or wife or husband or kids. Oh, the marathon. Wait. I think I missed some questions here. Why does it make you uncomfortable? Because I do like one try a year, Larry. So every time I gotta do another try, it's like I forget how to do it, you know? Vertizoid, thank you very much for that Prime subscription. I'm gonna put your name up here. I know it's already up here. Let's do that real quick, and then I'll read some messages I think I missed. Oh, Clistar, thank you very much for the sub. Even though you shouldn't be spending money on my channel. Thank you. Alright, so that's Vertizoid. Easy, 2 stars, thank you very much. And then Clistar. I shouldn't even put stars up here for you. I think the stars entices you to keep paying. Anyways, Clistar. Try more tries then. Yeah, I should try more tries. Alright, let me see what y'all are saying, man. So, alright. Ralo Gomez, any advice on how to enjoy LeetCode again? You haven't been able to I haven't been able to focus. I used to enjoy it at least 2 problems a day. Man, I only enjoy LeetCode when I'm doing it with other people. I'm not gonna lie. If I had to do LeetCode by myself, it would be painful. I would really hate doing it, man. But ever since I started to stream LeetCode, or sometimes I just join another person who's streaming LeetCode and I do the problems alongside them and have some type of discussions, or we're racing to see who can solve it faster or something like that, that makes it enjoyable for me. So my advice is try to find some type of community or some type of training partner. In the beginning, before I started to stream, I used to train with B. Becca all the time. And maybe before streaming, I also used to train on Binary Search, which was a multiplayer LeetCode website that no longer exists. So I think that's how you make it enjoyable. You find a training partner, or you find a community that you can join and just do problems with other people, talk about the problems, talk about life in between problems and stuff. That's what makes it fun. I had the choice of taking Monday off. Most people never look towards the start of the week. Wait. Anyways. Leia T Codes, how are you doing? Welcome to the party. I just did child 10. Yeah, I was gonna use a vector 10, but then I don't want to figure out, like, I'm not too strong with C++ off the top of my head for like coding up a class with like a constructor. I don't want to look, you know, so I'm embarrassing myself. Anyways, I get ChatGPT to give me a technical interview style simulation about specific algorithms and have it give me feedback hints on implementations without giving an answer. Could help you with tries. Interesting. Now, I think I just need to do like 10 try problems in a row and I'll never forget. But anytime I do a try problem, it's like so long in between the next one. Steven Sagaball, what's happening? You should do a co-stream with Pat. Mentor him? I'd be open to it if he's down. But I don't know. I can try, man. I can try. I feel maybe we'll get a little bit degenerate on his stream though. My friend got me into it. I couldn't do it by myself. Yeah, LeetCode by yourself is not great. I thought you turn on people's stream and just walked away Watching anime? What? Their contest binary search was great. Their contest system was my jam. They had a better setup than LeetCode. 100% for sure, man. I really wish the binary search creators would bring it back. They held a meeting on the future and just vanished. Yeah, kind of. I miss binary search. Yeah, me too, LeetCodes. Good, how are you? I'm doing pretty good. Also, someone in my chat the other day and mentioned C++. So I sent them to you. Oh man, thank you very much. But I'm really not a great C++ programmer. I think I'm still a super newbie in C++. I can get by doing the basics, but man, I struggle. LeetCode on your own is the highest form of discipline. Yeah, you gotta be like a crazy beast to do that on your own. The chat was never meant to scale. Probably a dubious design there. Yeah, maybe. Maybe that chat was the reason why they had issues towards the end or something. Alright, so let's try and do this try. So where were we? We made current root, and then for every character we look in that current node to see if we see that character, and this means not found. So if we don't find the character, then we gotta make a new try node. And then we put in that character. We put that new node in, right? So that means we haven't found it. We've made the new node, and then right here, our current should be set to whatever that character is at. Yeah, so I think this will make our try for array 1. And then what? Man, I can't wait to look at my old solution. I'm almost 90% sure that I did not use a try to solve it before, because no way I'd use a try on my own, man. I'd try anything else but a try. Alright, so now let's iterate through the second array, and since we created our try at the root, then we can just see how long the prefix is, right? The longest prefix that we've seen. So that's our new number. That's our root, and then let's iterate through all the characters here. But it's basically gonna be the same, except I'll keep track of like how long the prefix is. The only thing we're gonna do different is if we don't find a character in the try, then we can just break. We don't need to do anything else. And we should increment the length here. And then just record the longest length that we've seen. Oh lordy. Line 6? Come on, man. That's what I'm saying. I'm not too comfortable with writing classes and stuff. Come on, man. Is that indent right? I don't even know. Alright, should I just submit that? I think you can do contains effectively the same as find. Yeah, you can do that. I hardly use contains though. I suppose. Yeah. What language do I prefer? I prefer C++, but I'm not good at C++, man. I do exactly the same thing like you. I optimize the bit by turn to array to set. I'm surprised this works because what happens if you have multiple very big numbers from array 1 and 2, then comparison is n squared. Wait, what do you mean n squared? Hold on. Wait, tries are an optimization, so people should use it as a premature optimization of kind of way. Wait, Bobby Blue, let me think about what you're saying. Like n squared, very large numbers. Oh yeah, Pix Pusher says, yeah, it's max like, what's that? 10, that's like 100 million max. So you can't have like a gazillion number here with like 1,000 digits or something. So let me look at my old solution, man, to see what I did back in February. Oh yeah. Oh, so yeah, I knew like there's no way I did a try. The only reason I did a try today was because I think 2 weeks ago in the contest there was like a try problem and it's kind of fresh in my mind still, so I figured, you know what, let me use a try while it's still there. But my old solution back in February, I just made, I don't even know why I made 2 sets, but so it looks like I just insert the number. Oh, so I keep dividing it by 10 to like get every single prefix of every single number. And I insert it into the first set. And I also do it for the second set for some reason. Oh yeah, that's to prevent, yeah, duplicate prefixes, checking them. So I do that for both numbers, and this would be, so far it's like n squared, or n, O of n, or should I be more specific? Let me see. O of array length 1 times array length 2, or plus array length 2, not times, right? Yeah, I see how that works. And then I just, what am I doing? I don't even know what I'm doing, man. But I think a try works now, for sure. Happy to have solved it 2 different ways. Alright, what are y'all saying? Should I do a virtual contest, or should we do a Leet Rooms? Anyone wants to do Leet Rooms? Maybe. I'm gonna do it anyways. Tired of doing virtual contests, man. Alright, Leet Rooms it is. I'm gonna create this room right now. Oh, lordy. Alright. Too related, I never know what I'm doing. Yeah, I don't remember anything that I do most of the times. Or it takes a lot of thinking for me to like see what I was doing, and a lot of times I'm lazy. Alright, Bobby Blue says, let's say a try has 9 numbers in the first layer, then second layer would be 81. Is that how tries work? I mean, maybe. Oh yeah, that's a good point, Pixel Pusher. You only do 9 numbers per layer, or 10 numbers, or whatever. I guess 0 is a number too. So like each layer that you go deeper in the try, you don't have to search like all of the previous layers too. It's like you keep going deeper, and then each level only has 10 digits. So Tries are pretty decent, I'd say. I've used tries at work. That's like one of the only data structures that I actually use. I only use one time. Am I a try hard? I don't think I try hard at all, man. I'm a try not so hard. But I'd say I put a lot of effort into LeetCode. I think LeetCode has been one of the only things in my life where I actually tried hard. But I only tried hard up until I got my offer. And then ever since I got my offer, like 3 years ago, I've kind of just been chilling at LeetCode. I haven't really been pushing myself to grow. I haven't been learning too much more. I've just been doing a bunch of stuff I already know how to do. But recently, like in the last 2-3 months, I've been trying a little bit harder, man. I've been trying to read more about algorithms and practice harder problems, you know, and I think I'm getting better, but you never know, it's hard. I mean, I know I'm getting better, but sometimes the contests don't really show it because I've been stuck around the same rating for like 2 years now. But let's say we go to the last layer for every big number in num2 array. Wouldn't it still be a very big comparison? So every number in array 2, you will only go like 8 layers deep or 9 layers deep, right? So each iteration, it checks the character, and then it checks like if that character is in the try, and then it goes to the next layer if it is, and it checks if that character is in there. So it will only go 9 layers deep with a big number. It's not so crazy. So there's only like a few iterations if the number is really large. I wish there were more LeetCode alternatives. These platforms are great for improving. Oh, Don't Defense has arrived. Trying to do a little racing. Zombie Killer Whale, how you doing? All right, y'all ready for a little type racing? I'm ready. I am ready. Wait, ban pixel for sure. All right, Don't Defense. I'll give you an option, man. We can do a normal race where for sure Pixel Pusher is gonna win. Or we can do a death mode, instant death mode, where you never know who's gonna win, man, because one mistake and you're out of there. Death mode? Alright, let's do it. Death mode. Alright, here we go, here we go. Alright, let's gamble. First, let me create the racetrack. I'll send the link first, and then we'll create the gamble. Maybe we'll gamble on... maybe we'll gamble on how many people actually finish. So, wait, let me get the gambling up. Hey, next dev, welcome to the party. Alright, death mode. How many people finish above, let's say 70 WPM's death mode? Is it gonna be, let's see how many people are in here. Is it gonna be over 3 or 3 and under? That's what we're gonna bet, man. Yeah, I'll have 2 minutes to decide. Place your bets. How many people are gonna finish this dang death mode above 70 WPM? So you gotta at least be going somewhat fast. Place your bets, man. 3 and under, Cliff Stars. What is death mode? Instant death mode means one mistake and you're out, man. Crash and burn. All right, let's start the warm-up round. This is just a warm-up, so you can crash if you want, do whatever you want, man. It doesn't count. Here we go. I'm not gonna crash. This is just a warm-up. Man, I wasn't even... Jesus. Oh. Oh, there's a lot of people in here. Look at that. Pixel Pusher. Crashed and burned. Man, yo, Larry's carrying us, man. Look at that. 95 miles per hour, no seatbelts on. Jesus Christ. Larry just 102 miles per hour. Death mode. That's crazy. So, alright, of 12 people, only one person finished, man. But that was just the warm-up. Here we go. This is the championship round. Place your bets. The championship round is about to begin. Everybody be extra careful. But you gotta be over 70 WPMs, man. Oh, Zombie's betting big money. $12,000 on 3 and under. We racing Teslas? No, we racing Honda Civics, man. One crash, you're out. Well, I guess Tesla, one crash, you're out too, probably. Alright, championship round is about to begin. How many of us are gonna cross that finish line? Let's do this. Oh, shit. It's it's such a short passage. There's a chance, man. There's a chance for over 3. Alright. Focus, everybody. No talking. Shh. Jesus Christ. Is everybody gonna crash, man? Not even one person finished? Oh. Mumi Jumala, a new champion. Dang, and we have a guest at 56 miles per hour. Oh, man. Mumi Jumala, latest type racer champ. The new, wait, how much was it? 77 miles per hour? So this, alright, we found a way to beat Pixel Pusher. This is the only way we can beat Pixel Pusher, man, is death mode. It's all good. So today is the 23rd. $77. Death mode. All right, look at that. Very nice, very nice. One more? Wait, I'll do one more, man. You guys want to do one more? Wait, let me choose a bet. I started late because it asked me to verify my typing speed. All right. So, oh wait, 3 and under. I thought it was gonna be over 3, but it's still 3 and under. All right. Let's adjust the bet though. We'll do one more bet. All right, how many people finish above 70? Is it gonna be over 2 or 2 and under? How about that? Because it's clearly we all suck at typing. And this time we only have 1 minute. So we just need over 2 people to finish this dang race, man. And there's gonna be no warm-up. It's straight to the championship round. Just 3 people to finish. So dang, some people think they're gonna finish. Place those bets. Put them up there. 2 and under. Big money to be won with 2 and under. Oh, it's another short passage. No, we don't have 2 people. Man, last time, I don't know. You never know. You never know. We might have 3 people finish though. It needs to be over 2 people to finish Bobby Blue. And yeah, and it has to be above 70 WPMs. Alright, here we go. Championship round part 2. On your marks. Start. Alright, everybody focus. Shh. Man. Oh, lordy. Oh, shit. I think everybody's already out, man. Pixel Pusher is... Oh, everybody's dead, man. Don't Defense is taking his time, but he's too slow. Look at that. Don't Defense can't even hit that 70 WPMs. Jesus Christ, man. So, actually, nobody won that. Twitch hit me with a deodorant ad as soon as the race started, dang. Alright, Don't Defense, I can't even write your name on the board because it's not even above 70. Look at that. You gotta hit above a 70 WPMs. But I'll write your name, man. I'll write your name up there. Because you're the only survivor, you know. But I don't even think I'll put your WPMs. Because it's embarrassing, man. Alright, here we go. Don't Defense. I'll put it 60 WPMs. Death mode. Only survive. Only survivor. Anyways, so that's how death mode works. That was fun. A little bit. It's a little bit too hard though, I think. I really tried, but man, just one mistake, you're out of there. Anyways. Man, how do I get my adrenaline to stop pumping? Oh, gotta pay out. Yeah, we gotta pay out, man. So 2 and under wins that one. Man, we couldn't even have 3 people finish. Such a short passage. Easy money for Clistar, Zombie Killer Whale, Von Teacher, and LeetCodes. Oh man, everybody here lost money. Making mistakes is a part of my technique. Man, how do you type so fast when you make mistakes? Alright, back to LeetCode, everyone. Sorry to say. Alright, so this room has been running for 15 minutes already. Did I pin the message? I've never been so happy to be a doubter. I mean, after the first championship race, I think it was pretty obvious that we are not meant to be on the death mode racetrack. Yeah, I think I pinned the message. Alright, here we go. Let me send it to YouTube. So we got Hamming distance, we got add binary, we got threesome, a problem that I've actually never solved, and we got minimum operations to reduce an integer to 0. After this, can you solve yesterday's daily? Yeah, sure. Alright, Hamming distance. The Hamming distance between 2 integers is the number of positions at which the corresponding bits are different. Given 2 integers, x and y, return the Hamming distance between them. So I guess I'll take the XOR, and then I just have to count bits, right? Let's see if I can do that. I think there is this trick to count bits. Like that. Yeah, I learned this, man, this little thing right here, nums and nums minus 1. I learned this probably the very first day I decided to start studying algorithms. I learned this trick from the EPI book, Elements of the Programming Interview. I think I read this in some chapter in there, and it just kind of, this book. I never forgot that, man. This was a day one knowledge thing that I learned. So what this does is it will just, so we could write this while loop differently and say if num and 1, then ands plus plus. Wait, I'm gonna just comment this out. I'll show you like how you can do it without knowing this trick. So you can be like, if the rightmost bit is set, you increment the answer, and then you wanna shift nums to the right by 1. So you shift all the bits 1 to check the next bit. And this right here is going to iterate through every single bit in nums or in num and check every bit whether it's set or not. And if it's set, we increment the answer. That's what that does. Maybe to visualize, like if we had the number, I don't know, what's 101? That's like 5 in binary. So if I had this number 101, let me put it down here. Then when we end it with 1, it's like 1 is just that. So this becomes 0 and 1 is 0, 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1. So this just becomes 1, and 1 will evaluate to true. So then we increment answer because this 1 bit is set. And then when we do this, shift to the right by 1. Let me add what the values are. So this is the 4 position, 2 and 1. This is what the value of the bits represent. So when we shift it to the right, we shift it like that, and then this one drops off. It just gets erased. And then now we do the and 1 here again. So this will evaluate to 0, which like means false. So this doesn't get incremented. Then we and 1, or we shift it right against, and then we and 1, and this will evaluate to 1, and we get another answer. So we get 2 set bits for the number 5. But when we do it with, what does the XOR, or why does the XOR get the distance? So the XOR gets the difference of bits between X and Y. So it doesn't actually get the distance, it gets the number that when you just XOR the bits. I don't know, do you know what XOR does, Stilled? Or not so much. So an XOR means like the bits have to be opposite of each other for it to be true, for it to be set to 1. So for example, wait, I'm a little confused about the answer. All right, let's say, all right, so hold on. So let's say we have this number, this is 11, and then maybe we have this other number, right, 12. This is like value of bit, right? Don't look at that. So this is, these two numbers XOR'd, it's gonna give, this is gonna be a 0. This, since they're opposite, this is gonna give 1. These are also opposite, so this is gonna be a 1, and these are opposite, so that's gonna be a 1. So this is the number of these two XOR'd. this is what num is. And then what we want to do to get the Hamming distance is we just want to count how many bits are set in num. Does that make sense still? Anyways. Should I go deeper into this explanation? I think most people might know what this stuff is. But maybe I can show you this part here, nums and nums minus 1. So if this is nums, let me put the dang things back. So XOR is a confusing thing, yet sometimes it trips me up, man. I'm not gonna lie. So this number is 9, right? So if we wanted to count the bits here, and we use, let me uncomment this stuff and I'll erase this stuff. So instead of doing the bit shifting to the right, if we bit shifted to the right, this would take 4 iterations before we counted all the bits that are set. But if we did this trick, it would only take 2 iterations, because it's gonna go from one set bit, and then the next time it iterates, it just goes all the way to the next bit that's set. And I'll show you how that works. So this number here is equal to 9, and then if we take this and 8 would just be 1 0 0 0, right? But let's AND them together. What do we get? We will get, so an AND is only when both bits are set, it equals to 1. And then this would just be 0 0 0. So basically, the first iteration, we count this bit, and then we AND equal nums minus 1, and then the next time we iterate, the number is going to look like this. So then we count another bit, and then we do AND equal 7 now, and 7 is just going to be like this, and then we AND those together, and everything zeroes out. So it only needs 2 iterations to count all the set bits. Basically, this just jumps it just jumps to each set bit instead of shifting all the way through all the zeros. PJ from YouTube, what's happening? Bit shifted sounds offensive when said fast. Maybe. So that is a little bit manipulation technique right there, man. Bit tricks are above my pay grade. Nah, this one is like pretty handy, I think. I don't know if it's super useful. I've never actually needed to do this to pass any LeetCode problems. But it's just kind of cool. Anyways, should we do this one? Add binary. I don't want to add no dang binaries, man. But I'll do it, man. I'll do it. So, all right. I hate these add problems, you know? But I'll try. So should I just reverse them? Put string ands equals 0. What the hell? Alright, so now I can just like iterate through normally. Well, I don't even know if reversing it makes sense. Maybe I should just... So while... Hold on, maybe we should start from the ends though. I equal n minus 1, j equal. So we're starting from the ends of both binary strings and we're gonna add them up. So while both things are in bounds, should I do or? Maybe. Alright, so how are we going to do it, man? I guess if they're both ones, so if a I equal 1, I'm just going to like enumerate everything. Let me think. So if these are both 1, then we're going to put a 0, and then oh wait, how did I do with the carry? So if they're both 1 and there's a carry, what do you do? Let me think. I guess the carry. Maybe just push back the carry. Hold on. Man, I should not be struggling with this one. Maybe I should just add it normally, huh? Hold on. So 1 1 1 1 1 1. What would this equal to? Sus, what's happening? May you guide me to solve my first LeetCode problem. Man, I don't know if I can guide you, but maybe I can inspire you, you know? So this would be 0, and then it's like we carry 1, 0, so then wait, 1 1 0, carry 1, 1 and 1. Yeah, so this would be like 1, and then we carry 1 again. And then this would be a 1, and then we carry the 1 again. Is that right? What's... Wait. So this is 7 plus 7. What's 14 in binary, man? 12. Wait. What's 7? Yeah. 6. Am I tripping right now? Yeah, that looks right, man. That does... Wait. I think the carry's supposed to overflow. What? Negative 216? Wait, 16 minus 2. Yeah, so this is 14. So I think, all right, I think this is right then. So all right, so maybe we have to check. Man, this is too many if statements, man. Feel like I should just do it a different way, but I'll keep on keeping on. So if they're both set, And then if they're not set, and carry is 1, then no. Let me think about this. So if they're both set, that means we got to do some type of carrying. But then if only one of them is set and a carry, then we still got to carry, right? So how can I say that nicely? Should I just write a bunch of if statements? I think I might have to do that. All right, so if one of them is set, then then we can push that. Otherwise, if carry is there, hold on, let me think. So if carry is 0, then we don't do anything. But then this is saying carry is 1, then carry is still 1, and I should just keep it as 1. Man, this is too confusing. Sergeant Pepper, what's happening? This problem is tough, man. I know how to do this problem, though. That's the thing. So, alright, I gotta think. Now, what do I do if one of them is out of bounds? So if I is, hold on. Maybe here, I gotta like decrement I and j. But then if one of them is out of bounds, like I is less than 0, this is some terrible code, by the way. That's for sure. So if one of them is out of bounds, then I should just put the other one in. But if carry is 1, oh, look at that. Hold on. Oh, Jesus Christ. So if they're both equal, then and it still carries. Wait, maybe. Man, there's too many things. Maybe converting the numbers to decimal. Wait, what? No, it's binary as a string. Man, this easy problem is too hard for me. I'm tripping myself out right now. Alright, I got an idea. I'm gonna just separate things. So this is gonna run until the end of 1, and then the carry is gonna be something. So while, all right, here we go. So if that's 1 and the carry is 1, what do we do in this case? push back a 0, right? And the carry is still gonna be there. But what if hold on, let me think, man. Let me think. If there's a carry, otherwise if the carry is 1, push back a 0 and then we carry it. Otherwise the carry is 0 and then we just push the 1. That sounds about right. And then here, if it's a 0 and the carry is 1, we push back a 1. Otherwise, we push back a 0. But then here, the carry becomes a 0. I really hate this code, man. But I can't figure it out otherwise. I'm gonna just, all right, what do y'all think? Is this gonna work? This is insane. I would say, you know how you had the truth table for XOR before? What if you do the same with the 3 variables you have here? Oh, to try and like clean it up without enumerating all the cases in an if-else statement. That might work, Larry. But I feel I'm pretty close though. Let me just reverse this. Man, this is so confusing. I'd be surprised if it worked. Like minus all the mistakes, yeah. Oh, what the hell, man? Oh, and then it's like if carry equals 1, then forgot that part for sure. But it's still wrong, man. I'm missing a number there. Anyways, maybe I just can't do easy problems. One and one. Oh wait, I think I missed a case here. I forgot to finish this up. So I'm saying if either of them, and then there's this case where both are 0. Anyways, to Yodela below, what's happening? Yeah, that's normally how I do these add numbers, but this time they give you like this string. I guess I could have just converted it to a string a lot easier, huh? I really don't like my solution here. This was not that great, but maybe I should have like just converted each character to like a digit and then just added them up, and then I get the mod. Well, yeah, something like that. Did you ever check your IQ score? Not officially, man. I've taken like some silly online tests I done one a long time ago on stream. I don't know what my IQ is officially. Anyways, just ask ChatGPT. What's happened? Man, I can't pronounce that name, but welcome to the party, man. We don't use ChatGPT much around here. I've never solved this problem threesome. What was it unofficially? Psh, I don't remember, man. Above 100, that's for sure. 3 digits, but I don't remember what those 3 digits were. Yeah, I've never solved threesome. Should I try to solve threesome? Or should I not? Got big ads? Nah. Official answer, 3 digits. Alright, threesome says, given an integer array nums, return all the triplets, nums I, nums j, nums k, such that I not equal to j, and I not equal to k, and j not equal to k, and nums I plus j plus k is equal to 0. Oh, man. I don't know if I can do this problem, but so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sort nums. But we also can't have like the same things here. Jake the Birdie. Howdy, howdy, howdy. Welcome to the party. Using ChatGPT really intensive last time. I believe ChatGPT still really far from programming, but is a great tool for generating HTML templates. I haven't successfully used ChatGPT for any of my coding projects. Oh man, I forgot to check YouTube's. Sorry. I guess y'all talking about the last problem. I forgot to look over here. So, threesome. Let me try and science it out. Isn't GPT horrible for the environment? Is it? I guess he uses a lot of energy. Alright, so these are my numbers sorted. And they want me to do some type of I, J, K, where they all equal to 0. But I don't know how to solve threesome, man. So maybe I can pin 2. So like this will be -5. That means we have to look for a +5. But it doesn't exist. So in that increment j, and the same thing, +5 doesn't exist. So increment j, now we're looking for a +4. That doesn't exist. 3,000 numbers. Now I'm looking for a +3. That doesn't exist. And then we go out of bounds. So then now we increment I. And here we are. So we got these two are fixed, I and j. So we got -2. We do a binary search and we see one right here, a 2. So let's add that. -1, -1, and 2. Right? And then now we have -1, 0. So we're looking for a 1. It's right there. So then we have another answer. It's -1, 0, and 1. And then that's it. But how do I deal with duplicates? So I guess right here, we could potentially find another duplicate. So maybe I should do something about that. I don't know how yet. All right, let me try to just code something up until I get to that duplicate problem, and I'll try and figure out how to do that part. So n is the size of nums, and I suppose we can just do like a I equals 0, I less than n minus 2 maybe. And then maybe we fix j equal I plus 1, j less than n minus 1. And then the 2 sum is going to be nums I plus nums j. And then the third would be, I guess we want a lower bounds. On j plus 1. And then if we need a target. So that's going to be 0 minus 2 sum, right? Just negative 2 sum. Right? So if it's equal to negative 2 sum, then we got like something. Nums I, nums j. And then all right, so how am I gonna deal with the duplicates? That's how, I'm not sure yet. Fruits Coke, what's happening? What kind of keyboard are you using? It sounds creamy. It is creamy. Bubble 75 with Aqua Kings. All right, so this is gonna have duplicates. So I don't think it's gonna work. So I don't know how to deal with the duplicates yet. Suraj Joshi, what's happening from YouTube? Welcome to the party. How are we gonna deal with the duplicates? Maybe. Are you dual streaming? Yeah, I am dual streaming. I don't know if I can solve it. Man, I haven't solved it yet, though. I have to figure out... Like, I've always had trouble with this problem. Like, for years, I've always attempted it, but I've never been able to get, like, an accepted solution. What am I working on? I'm working on a problem on LeetCode called threesome right now. But in general, I'm just practicing LeetCode, trying to do random problems. Anyone else here just flat out can't do LeetCode style interviews in an hour? Jake the Birdie. That used to be me. I used to not be able to do LeetCode style interviews. But then I just grinded LeetCode, and I thought, in the beginning, I had a lot of self-doubt about LeetCode. Like, man, I think this is just too big brain for me. because everybody else seems to just be able to get it, and I just have no idea. But after studying for hundreds of hours, I can say it's starting to make some sense. Simon is finding threesome troublesome. Yeah. I work at a company that does 2 LeetCode in an hour, and I don't get how these people I'm interviewing can do it. Somehow I did, though. Man, so you can do it, man. I don't know what you're talking about. All right. How the hell? So I guess maybe I don't know, man. Maybe I'm gonna try something out here. So if nums I, well, if I greater than 0 and nums I equal nums I minus 1, I'm gonna say continue. Maybe like because there's 2 negative 1s, we're gonna find 2 solutions there. So maybe if we just skip over duplicate i's that we've already seen, we should take care of that. We'll see. No. Alright, so how the hell I'm gonna get another duplicate here? How is this possible? Maybe I gotta do it for the J also. So like nums J minus 1 continue. Let's see. I don't really know. I'm just throwing shit at the wall to see what sticks. All right, so maybe maybe that doesn't work. All right, let me try and science it. So we got 0, 0, 0, I, J, K. So we got these, well, there's no K. We only got I and J. It's not working because of the first condition of that statement. Hold on. We're looking for... we're looking for a 0. We found a 0. We push it back. Maybe we should just break right here, man. No, that's not it either. What the heck? Thought we were checking if nums I is great. Oh yeah, I was checking if I is like the position, so we can check the previous. But I mean, I see what's happening, man. But I really don't know how to go about. Oh, well, I guess the numbers, I could do some type of 3D. Well, nums is only that. Maybe I can do like some weird vector. Let me think. are we gonna prevent duplicates, man? This is the problem where I always get stuck for this dang problem. Maybe I should just finally look at the answer after 3 years of attempting this problem. I mean, in the past, I've tried to make like a hash map or a set of all the numbers to make sure I don't have duplicate numbers. Do I sort it? Yeah, I sort in the beginning here. Last night, a coding competition YouTube channel popped up on my feed. I think the channel is from England, though. Rocky88, what's happening? Kind of fun to watch. I've never seen that before. Interesting. What? I mean, coding competition YouTube channel. All right, what else can I try to not have duplicates here? Wait, so I'm binary searching, I find something. And then it continues. So maybe I should like have a bunch of pairs of IJs that I've seen. Can you link here? Yeah, you can send links. Man, 1 million views. That's a lot. Oh, it's like a dang real life. Man, this is kind of sick, man. What the hell? I'm not gonna lie. This is like my dream to be able to 1v1 people. Man, they had clearly a big budget there. Interesting. Thank you for sharing that. I was just talking about something like this the other day. Yeah, I think, man, if binary search was still around, I think binary search could have had things like that, man. Different 1v1 game modes or something. And if LeetCode would like put their engineering resources towards real features instead of like dynamic layout, who cares about dang dynamic layout and stuff like that, man? LeetCode should put their engineering efforts towards like creating multiplayer LeetCode or like different competition type stuff besides the weekly contest, like fun little game, like challenge somebody. Just anything, man. But instead, it's like they just spend their time redesigning the UI every year. Anyways. I give up on this problem, man. Time's already been over. Should I see? Like, alright, Larry, how do you solve this problem, man? Finally, I'm about to ask somebody. I've always just said, you know, maybe one day I can figure it out. But how the hell do you not get duplicates? Threesome. You don't remember these problems? What? This is like one of the classics. Or anybody who knows, doesn't have to be Larry. I guess I could just look at a solution. What am I up to? What am I up to? Well, all right, like what am I up to in my code? I sort the nums. So you're at, yeah. Well, n squared it would be, right? Because it's just the n squared takes precedence over the n log n. Oh wait, because of the lower bound, yeah, n squared log n. Yeah. So I'm like, I'm fixing I, fixing j, and then binary searching for the third element. And I think that gives me the triplet that I need. But what I'm struggling with is how do you deal with the duplicate numbers? You know? How do you, besides like trying to create some type of hash between the three numbers or like a set, you know? It's not, wait, it's not TLE. Binary search twice? What do you mean? Using a set? I think I've tried a set many times in the past. Oh, for dupe numbers, you can binary search twice. What? To get the length of the range. So like a lower bound and an upper bound. Wait, but... So once you get that range, I guess... Oh, I see. But there's like so many different ways we can get duplicates. But this will just find one of them. Like this will find the first number that it matches, and then it increments j. So maybe, all right. Maybe it is just a set. I think in the past, what I tried to do was fix, or not, was like create a set of the three numbers, but maybe I can try something a little bit different. I'll just on the two sum. So if it's not equal, maybe we should continue. And then I don't think I've ever tried to use a set on just the two sum. I think in the past I've only used a set to like try to create a set of like the three numbers. Oh, Q Ultimus, what's happening? Alright, so maybe now something ain't right here. So I'm missing. I mean, do I need that in this case? So I don't know what's happening now, man. Like this problem has always given me trouble. Kushagra from YouTube, what's happening? And how are you doing, Q? You've come at the right time to see me struggle at this problem. A lifetime of struggling on this problem, man. So -1 and 0. Oh wait, I only insert it if I find something. Just got off work, ordered some DoorDash food, fell asleep and left food. Wait, what? Left food outside for like an hour, covered in ants. Dang, I'm sorry to hear that, Q. Alright, I got a little bit closer, but now now the hash on the two numbers, I can't do the twosome because I'm gonna create a new hash. I'm gonna transfer this to a dang string, man. This is the same route that I always take on this problem, and it's just I always try all these weird things and I can never come up with a solution that passes, you know. But maybe this little key thing might be it. The pair of three numbers is what you can't have again, so you have to hash that. See, but now when I make this string thing, I get TLE on all these weird numbers. So maybe converting it to a string is not... Like, there's another way, man. I just don't know how to do it. Threesome has always been a hard problem, yeah. Literally never been able to solve it. I wish you could see all the times I've submitted this problem in the past. It's been like dozens of times, man. Oh, add a cache, or like make a cache of these numbers here. Oh, Icy Black D, what's happening? Let Python worry about the hashing. Nah, there must be an easier way. Alright, I give up. I give up for sure. I'm just gonna look at the dang solution, because I've been struggling with this problem for about 4 years, man. Okay, so I had this. This seems like a good idea, apparently. Man, what the hell? I'm not reading all this junk. That's too much to read. Man, I need to just... You can also just remove dupes at the beginning. Wait, can you? Can you do that? Because... Yeah. Right? Like, if we remove the dupes, we wouldn't get all the solutions. So, this guy just used a dang set. I think it's a set on a twosome, but I don't think he needs to convert to a string. Right, so instead of an unordered set, I should just use a set. Can I just have a pair, maybe? Make pair nums I nums j. Let's see, man. Oh, that works, but it's like, it's a little bit questionable, man. Should I just look at what one of these fools up here did? Man, that is too much to read. Larry, can you share one of your solutions? I'm very oh, but you're a Python, man. I don't really know Python like that. These people are like implementing their own binary search. Anyways, I don't really feel good about the set thing. Alright, let's see what Larry does for this problem 2 years ago. Oh, dang. 6 seconds. Oh, so you just use the set too? Well. Wait. Actually, I don't know what you're doing here. So if nums k I mean, you just put everything in a set right here. Oh man, you have so many solutions. 4 years ago. Guess I haven't done anything in 4 years. Oh man, this one looks a little crazy, Larry. Is possible. So you have a counter of like, so if they're all it's a funky way, right? So I guess this way you like deduped it, and then you have like how many duplicates were in the original list, and then you see if we can make these numbers based on the counts of them. That's what it looks like. Interesting. Thanks for sharing that, Larry. Or let me check out your third one. Oh, this one he did the custom binary search thing. Man, do you always do this in your binary search, Larry? Yeah, the last one doesn't. Yeah, I'm checking that out now. You don't have a set here. Oh, it's not binary search. Oh, Brett is in the house. I just assumed it was binary search whenever I see something like this. But it's, let me read it a little bit more. So it's a two. All right. So you go from target is the number. Oh, I see. I see. I think I see. Yes. So you fix one number, and then you do a two-sum on the reverse target, I guess. But it looks man, there's a lot of while loops in here. Harshit Saw Nay, what's happening? How you doing? Anyways, threesome, one of my worst nightmare problems, man. Thank you for sharing that, Larry. I think I have an idea of what to do in the future if I was ever to run into this problem again. Anyways, it's time to move on from this dang problem. Let me check. Dang, everyone did a bunch of problems. What should we do now? Should I go do an old virtual contest that I missed? Or should we do zero track? Should we do another Leet Rooms? Maybe with some harder problems? Or maybe all medium? Should we do an all medium Leet Rooms? Zero track gamble? Wait. I am just shocked to see you doing DSA. I'm also first year of my college. How long will it take to learn data structures, algorithms? Man, I've been studying data structures, algorithms for about 4 years now. I know 4 years could be a wide range of hours. So maybe to be more specific, I've studied for around 2,000 hours or so of data structures, algorithms over the course of 4 years, about 500 hours a year. And I'm where I'm at now because of all the hours I've put in. So how long will it take to learn data structures and algorithms? I don't think you need to put 2,000 hours in to learn like a solid foundation. But I think you do need to put in a few hundred hours at least. I'd say 100 hours minimum to see like to like get a feel of like some medium problems. Maybe like, I don't know, it's hard to say because everyone is gonna be different, man. But be prepared to study for many hours. It takes time. All right, here we go. Leet Rooms, mediums only. Are y'all ready? Let's do it. You start interviewing at about 100. Yeah, I think a lot of people, well, yeah. So I think if you have a CS degree and you do about 100 hours of algorithm studies, maybe that might be about good enough to start passing interviews. But if you're like me and you never had a CS degree, so a lot of these things are brand new, I think you got to do a bit more than 100 hours, you know? You got to do hundreds of hours. But I also probably didn't study as efficiently as I could have. Like, some people went from maybe studying theory and then try to apply that theory to practical problems like algorithm problems and puzzles. But I did it the other way around, man. I didn't learn any theory. I just tried to solve problems without knowing the theory. So that is probably why I needed 2,000 hours, man. All right, there's the new Leet Rooms. And it's only 4 medium problems, and I'll read all the 4 problems. We got find the maximum number of marked indices. We got balance a binary search tree, O1 matrix, and flatten binary tree to linked list. All right, I'll just try the first problem. You're given a 0 indexed integer array nums. Initially, all of the indices are unmarked. You are allowed to make this operation any number of times. Pick 2 different unmarked indices, I and j, such that 2 times nums I is less than or equal to nums j, and then mark I and j. Return the maximum possible number of marked indices in nums using the above operation any number of times. I'll get to that problem in a bit. So from YouTube, How do you make concept? I literally not able to make concept, just get frustrated and see another person get the solution. I just discovered you from down here, my idol. I mean, thank you for such kind words. I hope I can inspire you to just keep studying. But in the beginning, I was also very frustrated. I was in awe of a lot of people. Some people in this chat right now, I'm still in awe of, like Larry, Brett, Zombie Killer Whale. Everyone's been crushing it out there. But when I first started, man, I used to look up to like people on YouTube. Larry NY is one of them. And I just watch them just breeze through these problems like they're nothing. And I'd be like, Jesus Christ, how does somebody do that, man? Like, how can you just type up a solution in 3 minutes before I even understand what the problem is asking? These people are already submitting a solution. And that was crazy to me. And I thought, like, wow, if only I could be like that one day, you know? And I guess maybe I am like that now in some ways to some people. And it's only because I never gave up and I just kept studying and I kept pushing myself. So, like, in the beginning, it is very frustrating, especially as a first year student. You will be like, you're gonna get checked, man, because it is difficult to learn. But just like anything in life, man, you keep practicing and you're gonna get better. You know, the first day you step into the gym, the first day Arnold Schwarzenegger stepped into the gym, he was not Mr. Universe quality. He was like just a nobody. But after many years of training, he became Mr. Universe or whatever, Mr. Olympia or both. But I'm not trying to be Mr. Olympia of algorithms. I'm just trying to be, you know, somewhat beefy and bulky. All I'm saying is you gotta study, you gotta put in the work, man. How's the Peloton, man? Ever since I moved, I haven't ridden the Peloton, but I've been lifting weights. I plan to get back on that bike, man, but I think the move kind of messed up everything with my not just with like my schedule, but I've been a little bit busy just trying to get everything situated in my new place. Building furniture, ordering stuff, building computers, setting up streams, things. You know, I'm just making excuses, man. But I think about that dang Peloton every day, Icy Black Deep. Believe me. You know what? I'm about to go for a ride tomorrow. And I'm gonna send some proof in the Discord. Anyways. Let's try and... Oh, no condom Chris, welcome to the party. Do you talk about the contest this stream? I don't know what they were thinking with that Q3, Q4. I rode the city bike today, almost died. I've never ridden a city bike. So no condom Chris. I have not talked about the contest. But we can talk about it right now. We can talk about it right now. So for those of you who don't know, there's a weekly contest for LeetCode. I'll get back in the room, don't you worry. And the last contest was kind of weird, I'd say. The Q3 and Q4 were almost the same question, man. But I'm not very confident about my solution. I just submitted the same solution. So the only difference between Q3 and Q4 was the constraints. So Q3 had 100,000 word length limit and Q4 had a 1 million word one length limit. So that was the only difference. And they're asking for an ON solution. So my solution was using a frequency maps as a vector instead of a map. But I think I did a ON n times 26 here because I just iterated through all the frequencies to check. But I believe that maybe this might not be the best way to go about things. And I'm not sure if they're going to add a test case that's going to make my Q4 fail. Because I just submitted the same code. After the contest, I looked around at some people's solutions for Q4. And I saw some people did some interesting things to not iterate through each character to check. So maybe that's what that was the solution they were looking for. And I know how to do that technique now, but I didn't do it in the contest, so I think there's a chance I might not pass Q4. Oh wait, Bobby Blue, I told you I was gonna do yesterday's daily. Well, and I didn't do it. Should I try it? Even though I started this room. Man, I'm all over the place right now. Oh, and YouTube says, is it possible for you to make any vlog of your routine? I live stream my whole routine, man. I only study on stream. I've almost never study off stream. So I stream on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, New York time. Like, I don't know what time or what date is in India. It's okay. After this, all right. Well, Bobby Blue, since you've asked me before, I'll just do it right now, and I'll get back to that elite rooms. I don't think anyone's cares about that too much. All right, here we go. Extra characters in a string. You're given a zero index string S and a dictionary of words dictionary. You have to break S into one or more non-overlapping substrings such that each substring is present in dictionary. There may be some extra characters in S which are not present in any of these substrings. Return the minimum number of extra characters left over if you break up S optimally. So let's look at the example. S, they give you LeetCode. The dictionary has LeetCode and LeetCode, and the answer is 1. We can break S into two substrings, Leet and code. There's only one unused character, so return 1. What? Okay. So we get Leet. S is not there. Then we get code. I mean, this feels like a take it or leave it type of problem, Bobby Blue. But I'm not sure yet. Or like we just basically try to cut in every way, but I'm not sure how to deal with the extra characters. So I guess like as soon as we see something in the dictionary, we cut. Right? So here, cut there, and then we get an S. There's nothing that starts with S here, so we must skip that. And there's code. All right, let me look at this one. Say hello world. So S, there's none of that. So we gotta drop the 3. String distance like Leviathan. I'm not sure because the dictionary is like broken up into several words. Two frequency maps? No. I'm thinking it's some type of back tracking type of, I don't even know what to call it, but it's gonna be recursive however I do it. Okay, maybe I can make a try of all the words in the dictionary. It seems like tries are the topic lately. So if we did the try thing, then we can, anytime we don't find a node, wait, let me think. Man, this problem is hard. It feels like. On my first day, I thought I'd be Tony Stark. Now I'm just Tony stuck on a LeetCode problem. Yeah, that's how it is, man. I also thought I would just come up in here and dominate LeetCode in a couple days, but man, it's really taken a long time for me to get decent. Wait, the word isn't Leviathan? Wait, what is... I always thought it was... Leviathan distance? Leviathanstein? Yo, I've been calling it Leviathan distance for like my whole life. It's all good. It's not Leviathan distance, man, but I'm gonna just keep calling it Leviathan distance. Anyways, but thank you, Icy Black Deep. Anyways, I always wondered why the hell did they name it Leviathan distance? Like, what does that have to do with? All right. So, Bobby Blue, man. Yeah. It feels hard, but I say you make a try. Should I try that? Can I do that? So we make a try of all the words in dictionary. How do you do that? Man, Bobby Blue, you always asking me the hard problems. So for every character in word, we're gonna be like if roots nodes. Somebody said I should use contains, so I'm gonna use it. Not sure if it's better, but what? Ask this question based on a LeetCode tag. All right. Interesting. So make a new node. And then put that there. And then what? And then root, or no. This is not root, cur. Right, and then here it's like cur. So that's a full word. So that's our dang try. But then what do we do? It feels like this is part, maybe it's like a take it or leave it. So if the current character, all right, let me try and do it. Make a dang DP thing. I don't know what we're doing yet. So we need the index that we're iterating over S, and then maybe we say like if we're out of bounds, then we can just return 0. And then like if the current character is not in the try, so if wait, can I use contains here, man? Is that a thing? Yeah. I just want to, yeah. All right. What do we do here, man? Then I guess we just add 1. And we go I plus 1. As long as you have C++20, it's a thing. Okay, so it's not. All right, I'm gonna just go back to my I don't know what version of C++ they use. Wait, I think C++. All right. I'll just stick to my old ways, man. Some of us are stuck on almost C++11. Yeah, when I was looking around for those libraries, Icy Black Deep, for like handling WebSockets and stuff, it seems like everything is C++11, man. Like Boost Beast or whatever and all them things. They're always talking about C++11. Like, dang, what year is it? All right, so if we don't even find that thing in the try, we should just go to the next index and see how far we can get. And then, otherwise, if we do find it, then we gotta see how far along we can go until we find a word. But then if we never find a word, we should just skip all of them. Man, this is hard. Let me try and implement that though. doing here? What am I doing here? So we go through the tries. If we find that node, I guess we can say like hold on, let me think. I think I have full C++, 11 these days. Embarcadero Builder XE2. I don't even know what that is, man. Most of the C++ 11 and a Jank custom builder boost. Yeah, I'm not a real C++ dev, that's for sure. Hold on. How do I solve this? I'm thinking I want to like keep growing this somehow. Cur equal sj, and then maybe it's like if it's a word, then let me think here. If it's a word, then maybe we can split. What should I call this, man? How do we split this? I guess it's just gonna be dp j plus 1. So like what I'm thinking is like if there are more words in this try further along the way, then we should like do that stuff, right? Anyways, I'm gonna try that, man. I don't know if this is a complete solution though. I don't even do any DPing. Maybe I can add a cache somewhere, but let me see. It's a tough problem, Bobby Blue. LeetCode is tripping. Not even close. How the hell am I gonna get? Alright, let me try and sense out what's happening here. So I hit Leet. Well, hold on. So at 0, we should find Leet first, right? And then we split at Leet. And then we hit the S. Oh. But then there's... Alright, hold on. Rolo Fiend, what's happening? This one is so dumb, not gonna lie. I'm trying to solve it. It's giving me a lot of trouble though. So hit the Leet, then we hit the S, then we skip one, so that just returns 1. And we should hit the code after that. But then I'm like, it's not working. But then this one, I'm like returning a 3 there because I skipped the first 3. So these match. So something ain't right in here. Like I should get that return 0 somehow, somewhere. All right, let me try my own test cases real quick. Try and debug what's going on in my code. Man, that should hit something, man. Did I set the words to true? Not even. So maybe, all right. Like, I should find that word, you know? I'm using tries with DP. I'm trying. I'm trying something out here, Rolofine. But it's not working out. Look at that. LEET. Oh snap. CM Griffin, thank you very much for the raid. Howdy everybody, what's happening, CM Griffin? How are y'all doing? I am Midnight Simon and I'm doing LeetCode. I'm just a LeetCode monkey out here, man. Welcome to the party. I'm trying to solve yesterday's daily problem, which is giving me a lot of trouble. Just chilling, got back from TwitchCon this morning. Oh snap, I forgot TwitchCon was going on, man. How was it? Was it all everything you expected it to be? Was it better than the last time you went, man? I've been thinking one day I'd like to go, but I don't know if I'll make it next year. We'll see. It was my 4th? Oh snap. You're a TwitchCon veteran. Jeez. Yeah, I've never been, man. I considered going, I think last year, but it's a lot of money to be flying out there, man. Interesting. I should probably try and look up some videos to see what goes on at TwitchCon, you know? How is like the software category though? Because I know Twitch is like mostly games, video game people and stuff like that. So I mean, like going there as a software dev streamer, do you still meet up with people in the community, or are you mostly like, are you going there to like meet game streamers and stuff? Or are you going there and it's just like all software game development streamers you're hanging out with and viewers of software game development? To hang out with software devs. Interesting. Maybe Isword is being overwritten by the second. LeetCode. Wait, how can I overwrite though? Because it's just true, you know. Theo, Primogen, and Pirate Software hosted a pretty awesome party. Oh man, those are the heavyweights of the category. That's for sure. Yeah, maybe I'll try and make it out there next year. We'll have our own TwitchCon in New York City. Yeah, maybe. Maybe not a TwitchCon, but a LeetCode Con or something. A Simon Con? Nah, it ain't. LeetCon, man. That's what it's gonna be. Either in New York or in the Bay, because that's where everyone is. All the LeetCode monkeys. Everyone crash that man place and start doing LeetCode contests in real life. That would be a vibe, man. I'm not gonna lie. Everyone just competing. All right, let me think. What the hell is going on here? This should be a word, man. Like right here. Let's see. Easy for the, no, I don't even get for the 4, man. So none of those are is words. All right, so something must be wrong with the way I construct my try. All right, let me think. So if this node doesn't exist, we add the node. Man, this looks like it works. The terminal.shop guys are doing an event in New York City in a month. I don't know who those people are, but man, 30 bucks. What is this? I don't... Terminal guys, never really heard of them. But I'm also kind of like a hermit in the community, man. I just stick to my LeetCode. I don't really do anything else but LeetCode. And wait, this is not even the problem I was trying to do. I'm lost. Extra characters, yeah. What is terminal? Oh, terminal is Tej, Primogen, and someone else. I see. I didn't even know that, man. I don't really... It's their coffee company. Interesting. The Vim guys? Oh yeah, I guess the Vim guys, huh? Well, I don't drink coffee, and I don't use a terminal, man. I like to click buttons. I try to use as little terminal as possible. I mean, I can use a terminal. I just prefer to click builds on the big play button, and then I like my IDE to have all those nice things when I'm doing my version control stuff. I like to merge stuff or commit stuff with clicking, you know. I actually quit coffee right when I found out people were buying it from a terminal. Wait, what? What are you talking about, man? Your opinion of the terminal seems a bit terminal. Maybe it is. But I got a bug in my code right now. And I don't know what to do. Maybe I have to like current nodes. Do the DFS I+1 at every at every, regardless of if it's not found. Wait, but either way, Pixel Pusher, I have something is terribly wrong because leet should be a word, but it's showing up as not a word, you know? So let me do something weird. I get like 99% of my sugar intake from coffee, and I want to cut out sugar, so I'm just cutting out coffee. Yeah, I guess that's true. A lot of people use way too much sugar in their coffee. Oh wait, I did that the wrong way. All right, here we go. Let me try that one more time. Man, look. They're telling me it's there, you know? Sometimes put some coffee in my sugar. Man, should I just give up on this problem? Because I really don't know. Like, my tries are there, but like this current word thing, something is terribly wrong, you know? I mean, I don't know what I was printing there, but at T, it should be a word, and that the both E's right there, it should be a word. But it's not. Do I have to do something weird like that? That doesn't even make sense to me. Something just happened, man. Oh no, that just broke things, I think. Anyways, what is happening? I wonder if maybe I can be like maybe I'll iterate through here. And then take this out, and I'll be like zombie. I think I'm about to give up, man. Like, I have no idea why this thing is not showing me that the node thing right here is a word, you know? There must be some crazy mistake that I'm making. You're close. Wait, Larry, do you know do you know what I'm doing wrong? Because if you do, man, just you gotta let me know. You didn't set the new node on line 22. Oh wait. No, but that's like that wasn't there before. That was like a new bug. But it's still, you know, my is word thing, it's not saving. Is it because should I make like a constructor, man? Maybe that how do you do the constructor? Still no. I didn't do it with a try. DP's enough, you don't need tries. Yeah, but man, I've invested so much time already into this dang try. But I feel I'm alarmed that he's asking about release he successfully writes a constructor. Man, how often do I write new classes at work? Like once every few months, you know? I don't know that stuff. What are you printing? Alright, so I'm printing I'm printing the character, and then I'm printing if it's a word or not in the node, right? So that means if, oh wait. No, that's right, yeah. You can just do bool is word. Yeah, that's what I had initially, Icy Black Deep, but then I was just trying to like make sure that something weird wasn't happening. You have to traverse the child and check if that child is a word. I think it's slightly off. They're checking the last one. Oh, I think I see what you're saying, man. Yeah, Pixel Pusher, you might be right. Because it should be do it like right here. Wait. I think so. Off by ones. Man, this problem sucks. Wait, I don't even know if that's right though. It might not be right. Oh yeah, it's not right. But it's really close, I think. Alright. Yeah, now I gotta split at each index. Yeah. Alright, I'll try that. I spent so much time just trying to figure out that dang thing. That, hold on. Where's the memo? Yeah, the memo isn't here yet, man. Wait, but then if we skip that character, we gotta do that. Add one. Yeah, I haven't even added the memoization yet. Have you thought about picking up Java? Never, man. I've never actually thought about picking up Java. Not even once, I'd say. Hold on. So wait, maybe now I'm passing less test cases. Oh, wait. Wait, a minute, man. So the root is there. We put the node there. If it's a word, we split. Yes. All right, where am I going wrong now? This, man, I've spent so much time on this problem. I don't know what's going on here. I expect 7, but I give it. Oh, I think I see. So we should try to split. So Pixel Push here saying I should try and skip regardless everything at least once. Oh, wait. And then, all right, but I get 8, but the answer is 7. All right, where else am I messing up, man? Why are we always jumping if we can? Line 35. So you're saying, well, this is like, I guess we don't need this if we're always gonna skip, right? But we're jumping because like there's no way to create if we're at a letter that there's no letter in the try that starts with that, then we might as well just skip over it, you know? But something else ain't right. I have a feeling whatever I'm doing here might be an issue. All right, let me think about this for a second. So this is saying if that character is there, then if it's a word, we try to split there. Otherwise, we try and continue. Greater than equal to n and not. Well, if it's at n, you're already out of bounds because it's 0 indexed, right? So the last element is at n minus 1. Oh man. I gotta turn off these dang things. Oh, Larry, Larry, what's happening? I'm still stuck on this problem. It's not looking great for me. It's off by 1 here. So I'm like splitting. Wait, can I link? Yes. I'm gonna submit right now. And then I'll what? Thank you, Larry. Thank you, Brett. Thank you, Pixel Pusher. Thank you, everybody, for helping me out. Oh, Debo Jeet, how to get a job in US. I'm from India, man. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know how to cross borders and get a job internationally because I'm in the US, you know. So I don't have to deal with all that stuff. Wait, the while loop is iterating. Oh yeah. Pixel Pusher. What a great idea, man. But still, I think it wouldn't even find whatever character. But yeah, that is something that could go wrong for sure. So it's like off by 1 here. Why would I get... It's so hard to debug this test case though. I don't even know what the right answer looks like. Should I just look at somebody's solution? I think my try is built okay. Or maybe, you know... wait, my try looks weird. Uh-oh. So maybe... Yeah, my tries are weird. Maybe this is good practice for me to get the tries done. It might be right, but it looks weird. I think it's wrong, if that's the case. Wait, what if the last character already exists? Oh, Gupta. You are so right. But I had that before, you know, and then I did this weird thing because I was having a bug. But I think my bug was like something else maybe. So I had it like originally I think I had it coded correctly, and then I started to like modify things, you know. Yeah, that's how I had it. I understand that for sure. So let's see. Maybe that might be the bug. So it was like a weird situation with my code. All right, now I can add the cache. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Thank you so much, everybody. So to recap, let me tell you what my problems were, why I ended up in that weird position to begin with. So originally my try was like this, where I set the word after the loop to true. But in my DP, I was doing this part like down here instead of realizing like it should be up here. Because right now cur is just the root, which is never a word. Like, you know, it's not a word because it's nothing. And then I should have changed my current node to the node at the letter instead of like checking. This was just the wrong order. But with that and that, then I can make my cache. And then I can just so it was just some really terrible mistakes, man, that threw me off for I don't know how long I was on that problem, like an hour. Felt like an hour. But there you go. Easy work. This goes back to practicing tries. Yeah, I gotta practice a lot of tries, man. But I think today I got 2 try problems in. So I think maybe after today, they might be cemented in there forever. Man, such a crazy bug I had there that was hard to... Wait, I was trying to prove your code correct, but it definitely looks weird. No Condom Chris wants to do a little type racer. We can do a type racer, man. I think that's all the brain juice I got anyways. Wait, no, do it so I don't have memory leaks? Nah, get out of here, man. We're not doing all that. It's too much. I guess I just like... Anyways, wait, bet. All right, no condom Chris. How do you want to do this bet, man? Do you want to do death mode, or do you want to straight up race? Oh wait, Q, let me see what you're posting here. Yeah, it's the same thing, pretty much. Well, not really. You're not doing top down, man. You're doing some bottom up DP. Interesting. Thanks for sharing. Wait. Let me see what y'all saying, man. Death mode. All right, let's do death mode. Death mode it is. Wait. I think it could help if you separate out the code. Like I would make a function. Man, Gupta. You stopped saying good things, man, because this is LeetCode. We don't do good best coding practices here. We just dump everything in one function, man. Come on now, everybody knows that. Didn't do it with a try. Yeah, that's what you told me. Haven't seen Wales contest code. All right, here's the bet. We got to do this type racer. How many people will finish above 70 WPMs? Is it going to be over 2? Or is it going to be 2 and under? Or should I say 3 plus or 2 and under? Here we go. Oh, snap. Het Tennis with the raid just in time. Just in time for the type racer, man. Here we go. We're about to do a crazy race. If you think you can type fast, if you think you can type accurate, you better get onto the racetrack, man. Because we're about to do this bet first. 2 minutes to decide on this bet. How many people are going to finish above 70 WPMs? Well, since more people are here, is it going to be 4 plus? No. Let's just keep it simple, man. 2 minutes to decide on this bet. I'm gonna create this racetrack. It's gonna be in death mode, which means one mistake and you're out of here, man. Are you ready? So place your bets. We're gonna do one race for a warm-up, just so you can get the feel of it. And then the bet is gonna be on the second race that we do, the championship round. Robodom in the house. What's happening? Also, hey everyone from Het Tennis's stream. I'm the LeetCode monkey. All right, here we go. Here's the link for the type racer. Wait, is this death mode? Yeah, this is death mode. All right. So the first race, this is just the warm-up round. Here we go, man. Let's get to it. We just need 3 people. This race doesn't count for the bet. Oh, man, it's so hard. Anyways, oh, it looks like of all these people, man, nobody finished. What the heck? All right, that was just a warm up, man. It doesn't count. So, all right, place your bets. Big money, Robodom, $20,000. Zombie Killer Whale, $20,000, man. Oh man, if somebody here wins, they're gonna win a lot of money. Championship round is about to begin. Everybody get in here. If you think you can type this passage without making any mistakes and you're gonna be above 70 words per minute, you need to be in here right now. New race is gonna start in 3 seconds. 0 finishes, yeah. All right, here we go, man. Y'all ready? The championship round is about to begin. This is for all of the money. Everybody's money is on the line. If I could bet, I would bet on, for sure, I think someone's gonna finish. 3 of us are gonna finish, right? We should keep going until we get 1 finisher. Oh, man. All right, on your marks, get set. Watch the light to go. Jesus Christ, man. Oh, shit. Look at everybody dropping like flies. Oh, there's only 3 left, man. Oh, down to 2. All right, looks like we gotta run that back. Oh, only 1. Larry NY carrying everybody on his back. So the answer is, how many people finished? 2 and under. Should we do another one? Do you guys think we can get 2 people to finish in death mode with all of us in here? Let's try it, man. One more time. How many people finish above 70 WPMs? Is it gonna be over 2 or under 2? You guys have 1 minute to decide on this one. And yeah, it's no warm-up round. We're going straight to the championship round. So after we vote on this bet, we're just gonna race, and that race is gonna be the one that counts. So place your bets. Is 2 people gonna finish this race or nah? That's all it takes, man. just 2 people. We can see the passage before betting, man. I don't think seeing the passage matters. Because everybody is gonna crash and burn. Oh lordy. I mean, this one goes either way. There's a passage. What do y'all say? Oh, 2 and under. Not many people believe. Man, small bets, small bets. Where do you join? I'll send the link. I sent it earlier, but I'll send it again, man. Here's a type racer, and I'll send it to YouTube. If anybody on YouTube wants to race. Alright, are y'all ready? We just need 2 people to finish this passage over 70 WPMs without making a mistake. I'm gonna be one of them, so just one more person, really. Here we go. Man, that was too easy. Alright, alright. So 3 people finished that one. Easy money, easy money. Should we do one more? Y'all think you can handle one more of those races? What do y'all say? This might be the last race I do. One more? The streak. Alright, let's do one more, man. Let's do one more. Alright, so maybe I should peek at the passage first. Alright. Seems like an easy passage. So what do y'all think? 3 plus? Am I dead? Hey, what the hell, man? Is my internet out? Yo. I am here, man. Am I live on YouTube? Got stuck? Wait. What the hell is happening, man? I think I'm still live on YouTube. Am I back? Or what? It says. What the hell is going on, man? Anyways. Should I just start the race? I'm gonna start the race. That, I don't even know if that counts, you know, since we gotta disconnect. We gotta redo that one, man. I'm sorry. And then after that, I gotta go. I don't know what just happened to the internet, though. I don't think it was my internet because YouTube was still up. YouTube was still working for sure, man. Bleed Fuel. What keyboard? This is a Bubble 75. I think it's Twitch. Yeah, it must be Twitch, man. Twitch is joking around. Everybody is, all the Twitch engineers All right, TwitchCon. And where are my leaderboards? Oh, snap. I didn't add you, but I gotta go back and figure out who won. So I have to like watch the VODs to add the people, man. So under 3? Nah, that doesn't count, man, because we had a disconnect, right? Oh, 161, 101. All right, all right. I'll add it now. I'll add it now. I trust Larry. All right. Oh man, I shouldn't have copied all that junk. Hold on, I'll add this after. Or should I add it now? Let me add it now real quick. So Larry says, Larry at 98. Pixel Pusher at 161. It's crazy. And that's a crazy death mode. And you, Larry, at 101. There you go. It's updated for death mode. All right, for the bet, you think we should? All right, let's just do under 3 because I think a lot of people raced anyways, even though I disconnected. All right, last race. 100% sure this is the last one because it's midnight now and I gotta go for real. I gotta go into the office tomorrow. I gotta pack up all my stuff at my desk because we are moving. I'm moving desks in the office. I'm going from the 9th floor to the 14th floor, man. All right, here we go. Excuse me. 1 minute to decide. Place your bets. This is the final bet, man. The final death mode bet. And the final everything before I end stream. So 3 or more people finish this type racer. Put down those monies, man. We need to see some big bucks here. Wanna play that Pat's Hello World bomb game? Oh man, I'm not ready for that. I gotta go to bed, no condom Chris. Alright, you guys have less than 30 seconds to place your bets. How many people are gonna finish death mode? I think 3 or more people. We have done a lot of... The secret of death mode is breathing, man. I don't think I've finished one race yet. I just want to finish one, you know. All right, the bets are in. Let's hit the racetrack, and then I gotta go. Here we go. Breathe. Jesus Christ, man. Oh, I'm out of here. This game sucks. This dang type racing things. Oh shit, we're about to have... Oh shit. We were about to have 3. Wisens has to... Y'all have to speed it up, man. Alright, so Andy Barth with the championship. Congratulations, Andy Barth, with the 117. That is insane. Alright. So under 3, under 3. Dang, son. Anyways, let me put up Andrew J. Barth. up on the Type Racer Champions board. Wait, what was the speed? I forgot. 117. Very fast for a death mode. Alright, that's it, everybody. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you for all the help debugging my junk ass code for all those try problems. Thank you for playing Type Racer. I think that was some of the most fun I've had playing Type Racer. I don't think we've done that many death modes in a row ever. The last death mode we did was back in March. And before that, it was like 2 years ago, man. Yeah, we should do death mode more often. And we used to do dictionary sometimes. Yeah, death mode, it's always fun. Anyways, I'll be back streaming on Wednesday. So, y'all know. Great lighting. Is that a light above you? Yeah, I got lots of lights. I got lights up there. I got lights over here. I got lights there behind me. There's a light over there. All right, let me find somebody to raid. I don't even need to look very far because we got Steven Code's Stuff. Another LeetCode streamer, but doing system design. Let me set this raid up, and then we can say our goodbyes. Alright, we're about to raid Steven Code Stuff, one of the original LeetCode streamers out here, man. Thank you very much for tuning in, everybody. Why Sane, No Condom Chris, Andrew J. Barth, Pixel Pusher, adios, have a good night. Bobby Blue, Q Ultima, Stilled, take care, see you later, alligators. J Bricks, Vaughn Teacher, have a good night. Larry NY, see you later. Brett, if you're still around. Zombie Killer Whale, have a good night. Did I already say Pixel Pusher? I think I did. Robodom, take care, man. And Het Tennis, and who else is out there? Everybody. Lots of people, man. Bleed Fuel, Weissens, Leborby. Have a good night. Jadison, see you later. And KJ Betts. Have a good night to you. Thank you, everyone, man. So Wednesday, maybe we'll do a little bit more death mode Type Racer. And we're gonna solve some more LeetCode problems, man. Hopefully I don't get rejudged on Q4 for the LeetCode contest, and my rating will be an all-time high if that happens. I'm hyped. Yeah, all-time high, man. See you later, YouTube and everyone.